Hey, thank you for 100 subscribers. Yeah, well, more than 100 right now. So I wanted to make a Balisong bag collection update. So I just wanted to show off my collection for a bit. So up first is my Civics Terra, and with this one, the Zen pins tend to back out, but I like how it flips because it's light, and the design looks very slick. Right, so let's put them over here. Next up is the Civics Zephyr. So this one is a more expensive version of the latter, but with this, I decided to switch out the pivot screws because I like the colorway. It looks like the Go Bananas 5.7 skin from CSGO. Very nice. It's blue pivot screws from Squid Industries, titanium. Oh, very nice. Okay. There you go. Up next is the Squiddy C. This one is fairly light, and I did eventually get the silencer mods for it. Well, the proper silencer mods for it, if it could focus. Yeah, there you go. There you go. This is very, very light. It feels like you're flipping paper, and it does feel nice, but it is way too light. Light enough that once you start holding a real metal Balisong trainer, it feels weird, kinda. Yeah, I grab this from time to time when I want to flip outside, or when I just want to grab it, right? Oop, over there. Next is the Squiddy U. Okay, so actually with my Balisong collections, I gave them nicknames. Well, not really nicknames, more of code names, right? So this Squiddy U flips exactly like the Squiddy B, only with blue handles, and in my opinion, it flips better than the Squiddy C, just because it has more weight to it, and it's much more silent and smooth, and not as clacky, right? So I like to call the Squiddy U Squiddy Oreo. This one is the Terra Bond. This one is this Civics Banana, I guess. Next is the Glider Arctic. Glider Arctic is a very nice trainer. Definitely worth the money. And it is very neutral. So the balance of the Glider Arctic is surprisingly, what do you call this? Better than actually all my flippers, right? The balance it gives is very different in terms of my other neutral balance Balisongs. But then again, this, other than the Terra, this is the only neutral balance Balisong that I have. And the weight feels nice. The improved grips that I got feel very nice too, because it feels like it's, I wouldn't say it's a toy, but an actual flipper. Whoop. Yeah. Let's put that over there. Next are my knockoffs or clones. So I'll start with this one. So the one Falcon from AliExpress. So this one is fairly loud, but it flips great, and I don't know if I could call it an original, because when I compare the features of it, it feels like it's a Balisong that was made from a hodgepodge of different assets from other Balisongs, right? But it does flip nice. I like the dagger blade design. The texture on the handles feel very good. It doesn't feel sharp. It doesn't feel smooth. It provides you the proper grip that you want. Also with the textures on the bottom side of the handles make choker fans feel comfortable. Yeah? Yeah. Okay, so next is my squid trainer that I rebladed from trainers, and I replaced the pivot screws with titanium squid industry screws. I might be wrong, but I think the original squid trainer runs on bearings. So with this one, it runs on bushings. It's not actually the perfect fit because I do get handle slap when I flip this. But it does look nice. It looks nice. The balance is great. It sounds silent and pretty much very well, aesthetically pleasing for me anyways. Oop. There you go. Next is where the actual blade came from, and the comb design of the knockoff squid trainer from AliExpress, right? So this one, I just wanted to not waste the parts of the what do they call this? CD Balisong or yeah, these handles from CD Balisongs and the comb blade of the squid trainer clone. It's really loud. It doesn't flip nice, and it's practically trash. I'd give this a 2 out of 10. But in terms of comedy and ugliness, 10 out of 10. Very nice. There you go. Hella ugly. Okay, so next are my experimental Balisongs. So these are a mix of the one original. Well, I say original, but it's actually you can see the where it got its parts from. So like with this one, this has a Nautilus clone body, but the blade shape is from the one. Surprisingly, it fits, right? So I was like, hey, maybe the rest of them fit, like my Kraken and my what do you call that? You'll see. I'll get to see. I'll get to show you in a bit. But with this one is, I call this one Colgate toothpaste because the color scheme looks like it. There you go. This one, I like the color scheme very much. It looks like a mango. So it has the Kraken clone blade, the scales from the one original, because I say that because I found out that there's the same scales from Atropos, exactly like this one. And I got the Winter Nautilus clone body, what do you call, oh, that, the channel body, right? It's from the Winter Nautilus clone. So with they surprisingly flip very smoothly and very nice. Whew. But yeah, they're just for I wanted to experiment with the parts that I have. Yeah. I don't like how sharp the G10 handles are, but the balance is great and the aesthetics of it is great too. Ooh. There you go. I like the scales on the Nautilus clone better. They feel better to the hands. So this one, so I noticed that the Nautilus clone is actually very blade heavy. Ooh. So I tried to stick it to the Kraken clone handles because, you know, metal on metal, and I thought that the balance would be great, but I was wrong. So the balance of this one is still blade heavy, even though it's a full aluminum channel handles. It still feels blade heavy from the weight of the Nautilus clone blade, right? But it does flip decently well, just a little bit blade heavy, right? So, oop, there you go. These are my trainers. Well, yeah. I also have other blades. So this one is CCC from Amazon. I bought this because I wanted to put this blade shape on the other one. It looks like a real knife, but it's actually pretty blunt and couldn't cut anything. Yeah. Ooh. How do I? Yeah, I'll just put it like that. So I wanted to put this blade shape on this Amazon Nautilus clone, which is a clone, because it looks pretty similar, and it looks like you can, right? But the tank pins don't really match on the on this one, and the balance on this one is terrible because I don't know why. The blade seems to be so heavy that it doesn't flip as nice. I should throw this out, but I don't know. It feels funny, so I won't. There you go. I do have some fixed blades too. Well, not really fixed blades, but folding knives that are not Balisongs and that actually function for cutting. I have a Balisong pen for writing. Well, not really. It flips horrible, and if given the chance, I wouldn't get one of these. I wouldn't get one of these. Because I can't perform any tricks on them, right? It's terrible. Maybe a ladder. Maybe. Yeah, nah. So, keep that open. There you go. I have a fixed blade, well, folding blade working knife from Cat. I like this because of the skeleton, design of the handle, the stonewash finish, and how gritty it looks. It does have a liner lock function, so it's not as it doesn't close as smoothly as the ball or button press folders. I also have this mini picnic knife. I think it's called a toothpick. That was very dangerous. I could have cut myself. Think it's called a toothpick from. You know what? I forgot where I got this from actually, but I usually bring this on when I have a small bag, going on picnics, or actually on whenever I want actually. There we go. So these are all my knives and Balisong trainers from my bag. I also have miscellaneous stuff like this tool that comes with every order from AliExpress. Oh, I forgot my BB barfly. There you go. Very novelty flipper with chunky handles. Yeah, that's heavy. Feels like you're flipping a tank. There is a BB Firefly gonna be releasing out soon, and I don't know if I'll get that one. I don't know. I probably will. Ooh. There you go. I also have NRB knife juice. Very nice. When I first got it in the mail, it smelled kind of funky, but I got used to it, and it actually smells pretty nice. The scent grew on me. I'm not going to include this in the shot, but spare parts, BB barfly case, and little sheath, I guess. I don't know. And I keep all my Balisongs over there. So yeah, this is my collection, and thanks again for the 109-year-olds that are subscribed. Very nice.